Metropolitan Golf Course of the Year for 2023, Joondalup Resorts. Joondalup continues to be the #1 course of choice for locals and visitors wanting to play the best in Perth. Minor tweaks to tees and bunkers, mainly on the Lakes 9, has improved safety and visibility as well as strategy and playability. Stage 8 and 9 of the irrigation upgrade was completed, while Toptracer Range was installed on all bays at the driving range. Joondalup hosted 69,000 rounds last year, including 12 charity days, which raised thousands of dollars for local organisations. It was also host to the 2023 WA Open, which was won by Simon Hawkes. Roger Law is here with us, the Group Operations Manager, accepting the award for Joondalup.
On behalf of our business, Golf WA, major sponsors, thank you for this award. To my team over there and our members over there as well, thank you for your support and look forward to a great 2024. Thanks, guys.